Hello children, how are you today? Hopefully you are all happy and safe and getting ready for Vesak. Shall we see what we are going to make today? It's again something for Vesak or any other celebration. You can use this, not just Vesak. It's like a paper ball, right? So we need 2 pieces of paper which are circular in shape, and I have also attached a piece of thread to one of these so that they can be used later. And I also have 6 stripes like this that have been cut out to make the lantern, to make one lantern. Now I have the 6 here. Okay, let's make it and see. So take the circle without the thread, the other one, and you will need something like a marker pen to mark the middle. Then what we are going to do is take a stripe like this and mark its middle, and then put on some glue, and we are going to paste it onto our circular piece so that the 2 middles align, the 2 centers are on top of each other. We are doing the same thing with the other stripe, a little glue in the middle, and then pasting it to the middle. So the middle of the stripe, the center of the stripe, is pasted onto the center of the circle. Let's do the same with the other stripes as well. Now I have used 2 different colors, you will see. Now the more the stripes, the prettier your Vesak lantern will look. So I have purple like this, and I have red stripes. So let's make it a Vesak lantern with 8 stripes. Alright? Now we have finished pasting the stripes, and the other circular shape which has a thread on it is to be used as the top part of the lantern, so that the free ends of these stripes need to be pasted to the bottom of this top lid. So if we take one side, then we have to paste the other side of the same stripe. Now it's done. Okay. See if you have pasted all the free ends of the stripes to both lids. Isn't it easy? I know it's not hard. So if you cut the stripes, it's quite easy to make, and you can put in a bulb into this, so it'll look like a beautiful Vesak lantern. So it's easy and it's beautiful to make. So please try and make one. I will see you soon. Goodbye.